Hi guys, Dave here. We're going to talk about the sliding compound miter saw. It's a really great tool. I've got it to do a lot of different things around the house. It can make mouldings, picture frames, angles and boxes. Get into those tight spots around the house to make it a nice neat finish. So a number of things it can do. It's obviously straight up and down, which is the first option, okay, which is just a normal cutting action, and that's a 90-degree angle. And then you have your various options of 45s. Now you slide this around and you have, it clicks into place, and then you have the option where it can go at a 45. That'll be for like picture frames or square angles. The next thing it can do, which is a great thing, it can actually give you an angle while you cut on an angle. So if you tilt it like that and bring it down like that, it's a double cutting action, and it's a tremendously adaptable tool. And of course you've got the compounding sliding action, which will do the larger timbers. So that'll give a nice, accurate angled cut. It's a great tool. This one's operated by the battery. It's a great little thing, 18 volts. Take it out, 4 ampere hour, plug in. It'll give you quite a bit of action, and it'll give you a good life as well during the day. The material is caught in the back here, which stops a lot of dust floating around, and then you have just a little clamp which will hold the piece which you're actually cutting with. Really good thing. You've got to be so careful with these because they're very dangerous. So just bring them up, turn it around, clamp it down. When you do anything on the object, or should I say the tool, it's really important to make sure you're safe. So just like you unplug it, just pull out the battery and you won't have any problems. So then you can work on it safe. It's only a 2-second thing, and man, your fingers are really important, eh? It's very light to move, very capable of being moved around the house to different sites. The biggest problem with the ones with the leads is you have to roll it out all the time and move things around. That's a real hassle. You're tripping over leads. So it's great, and of course the batteries will fit other things. Okay guys, well that's the initial workings of a compound sliding miter saw. Great tools, can do lots and lots of different things. If there's anything else you want to know about it, let me know, or if there's any other tools you want me to show you, let me know, and I'll be more than happy to put it up for you. But thanks for watching, eh? Cheers.